Alright, so the last several problems were very similar, so I want to work through one of these together. So we've got number 9 here, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to reorganize so that our x terms are together. So the x squared plus the 10x, and the y terms are together, the y squared minus the 12y. And then we're going to move that 40 over to the other side as a negative 40. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our structure so that we can complete the square. X squared plus 10x plus, we'll leave ourselves a blank, plus y squared minus 12y plus, we'll leave ourselves a blank, equals negative 140. And then on this side, we're going to give 2 blanks so that we can balance out the equation. As we add things on the left, we're going to add them on the right. So we're going to fill in this first blank. So we're going to take half the middle term. Half of 10 is 5. We're going to square that, and that's 25. All right, so I'm going to put a 25 in the first blank on each side. Then we're going to go to the second blank. Half of negative 12 is negative 6. Squared is 36. So we're going to drop a 36 in on each side in that second blank. Now in the next line, we're going to go ahead and factor. And that was the whole goal again. We created this perfect square trinomial here so that it would factor nicely for us. All right, and we also created this one so that it would factor nicely for us. We made them perfect squares. That's going to allow this to factor nicely to an x plus 5 squared plus a y minus 6 squared. All right, the other side is just really cleaning up at this point. So I've got negative 40 plus 25. That would be a negative 15 plus 36. So we got 36 minus 15, which is going to be a 21. All right, so we have 21 on that side. And at this point, we can identify the center. So the center is negative 5 comma 6. And then the radius is the square root of that number over by itself. And the square root of 21 does not simplify, so we're just going to leave that as root 21. All right, so that is our center and radius, and then we've got our center radius form, which again is one of the better forms to leave a circle in. All right, hope that helps. Bye.